Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to give directions. Give directions, ça veut dire donner des instructions pour indiquer à quelqu'un comment aller d'un point A à un point B. So, to give directions, you need a verb in the imperative. This is very easy. The verb in the imperative form is the same as the infinitive. For example, go, walk, drive, turn, and so on. And then you need some prepositions and words that describe what you see. Let's start with prepositions. The prepositions I'm going to show you all indicate movement. They tell you whether you go up or down or over and so on. They indicate a movement. Let's see. For example, over means you are going over something. If you imagine a bridge, so you're here, and there's a bridge, you're going to go over the bridge. Over the bridge. The opposite is under. Under makes you go under something. For example, you can walk under the bridge. Imagine there's a river. You could have a walk under the bridge here. You go under the bridge. Okay. Now, you could say along. For example, walk along the river. Le long de la rivière. Along. And here you could say, I walk. Here you could say, walk along the river. Le long de la rivière. Then, you could have past. For example, go past the hotel. Passer à côté de l'hôtel et continuer. Here, if you walk along the river, you could walk along the river and pass the hotel. And pass the hotel. Go past the hotel signifie vous avancez, vous passez devant l'hôtel et vous continuez. Pass the hotel. Round. Round signifie faire le tour de quelque chose. It's used for go round the corner. Prenez le virage. Go round the corner. So you could imagine go over the bridge and round the corner. Round the corner. Go round the corner, c'est prendre le virage. Then you could have up. Up means you're going upwards, up or down. For example, if you want to go under the bridge, you can imagine here there's some stairs. Des escaliers. So this would be down the stairs. Et peut-être à la fin de la rivière, il y a des escaliers qui montent. This would go up the stairs. And there's one last preposition. It's through. Through, c'est à travers. Vous imaginez, ça passe à travers des choses. Imagine here, the road continues. Maybe there are some woods. So you could say you go through the woods. À travers les bois. Let's now look at useful words to describe what you see. For example, you could have a corner, c'est un virage. Or a roundabout, c'est un rond-point. In a roundabout, there are different exits. Then in a city, you could have the pavement or sidewalk, c'est le trottoir. You could have a crossing, also called a junction or an intersection, or crossroads, or crossroad. C'est un croisement, une intersection, un carrefour. Then traffic lights, c'est des feux de signalisation. A traffic sign, c'est un panneau de signalisation. Or a pedestrian crossing. Sometimes also called a zebra crossing or crosswalk. Okay. So, let's make this map a little more complicated and I'll give you some examples. Okay, so now we have a bigger map. Let's now practice giving directions to this little guy. So, we have this little guy here. Imagine he's standing here and he would like to go to the restaurant. What can we tell him? So first of all, we could say, okay, go straight ahead. Allez tout droit, straight ahead. Let's write that down, straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Allez tout droit. Go straight ahead until you get to the bridge. Jusqu'à ce que vous arrivez au pont. Then go over the bridge. Round the corner. Through the woods. Once you get to the junction, follow the sign to the town center. So turn left. Turns left. Then go straight ahead, pass the pedestrian crossing. At the intersection, go straight ahead. At the traffic lights, go straight ahead again. And at the end of the road, in front of you, there's the restaurant. So I used another word, it's in front of, c'est devant. You could have on your left-hand side, ça va votre gauche, or on your right-hand side, ça va votre droite, or on the left, or on the right. Okay. Now let's have another example. Imagine this little guy takes his kayak, and we give him some instructions. Imagine here, walk down the stairs, and goes into the water, goes under the bridge, and then past the hotel, and down the river. Mettons, le courant, il va comme ça, down the river. And then comes out again and goes up the stairs. Donc des mots comme up and down peuvent être utilisés n'importe quand, dès qu'il y a une pente. Par exemple, go down the stairs, or go down a hill, or go down the mountain, or go down the road. Dès que ça descend, vous utilisez down, et dès que ça monte, vous utilisez up. Go up the mountain, go up the stairs, go up the river, comme si vous remontez le courant à l'envers, go up the river, and so on. Okay. So let me now try to follow directions. I asked a friend where the beach was and he gave me some directions. So I'll try to follow them to get to the beach.